This video is supported by AC Infinity. Yo, what's good everybody? Bassdropkeys, your friendly neighborhood Negro. And in today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing and setup of the AC Infinity IonGrid T22 LED grow light. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and unbox this light. The first thing that you're going to notice is that it has a halo design. The halo design is crafted to maximize plant yield by providing uniform coverage and deeper light penetration. This LED system does use Samsung diodes. It is a 130 watt light. It's pulling 130 watts out of the wall, and it provides full coverage in a 2x2 space. Now, one of the things that you guys probably notice about this light is that it has the digital controller right on the light itself. So that means that you don't need to buy a timer for your light, because with this light you can set the light schedules, you can set the light cycles, and you can actually use the timer right on the light itself. Also, you can customize this light so that it actually mimics the gradual dimming of sunrises and sunsets. Now, you don't have to keep the controller on the light itself. You can detach it and mount it elsewhere, but no matter where you decide to mount your light, it does come with extension ports, so you can actually daisy chain the lights together if you want to. Also, I want to point out that you can plug these lights into your smart controller as well. So if you have a controller 69 from AC Infinity or something like that, which you will see here on the channel shortly, you can plug these lights into the smart controller and control the lights, the fans, the ventilation system, all with one smart controller. Now, I do want to point out that right now we're in the middle of April, but these lights won't be available again until May the 7th. I will put the link in the description so you guys can check it out for yourself. But no matter what you decide to get from AC Infinity, you can use Bassdropkeys as your coupon code to get a 15% discount on any order. So if you want to check out their tents, the ventilation systems, the lights, a lot of great products that they have on their site, check it out. Use Bassdropkeys as your coupon code. You'll get a 15% discount off your order. I want to thank AC Infinity for sponsoring me and sending me 2 of these lights. I want to thank all of you for watching. If you want to support me more, hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, or come join me on Patreon. I really appreciate all of you. And until I see you guys the next time, peace and good eats. I'm out, guys. Much love.